Hi everyone, my name is Mike Ward, and my channel, this is a new channel I've just started called Mike Ward Dev. And what I've done, I've just learned WordPress for building websites, and I'm going to open a website building business basically. Now what I would like to do is build 5 free websites just to give me a bit of experience just with free websites, just so that I know exactly what I'm doing when I deliver them and give them to people. And then after that I'm going to start charging. So if you would like to get a free website, feel free to apply. The only thing you'll have to pay for is hosting, which is fairly cheap, and I've got a link down below that will give you a good discount on Hostinger, probably about 60% off. And just to keep you in the picture, I do get a small affiliate bonus for that. You'll save a lot of money because you'll save at least 60% of the cost of website hosting, so it's a win-win situation in a way. Now what I'm going to do is just show you some of these websites I've built, and these are demo websites. So if I hit home here, I'll show you how this animates in. See how the hello comes down? It's fairly simple to build a few extra things like this, and you can pretty easily get a professional looking website. And this is basically a restaurant website. These are various photos I searched and put in. And as you can see, there's various things on the side. There's a basic menu here showing some of the stuff, and also a reference down there from a customer. And then you have, basically this is a 4-page website. You can then go to the menu, and again there's a banner at the top, and there's various kinds of pasta dishes there, then pizza dishes, platters. There's a photo in there that is fairly easy to put in, and then just the quick specials. And basically it's fairly easy to create something like this. Then there's about us page, which tells you a little about the actual website itself. Just tells you about the that didn't click on properly. Let's hit that again. There's the about us page. That shows the various staff that you have. Again, another reference about the restaurant, and then you have a contact page, and you guys can use any of these contact pages on any of the websites I'm going to show you, and I will list all the websites below. So if you just fill in your name, your email address, you don't have to put a phone number or anything, but just put a message in saying I would like, say, a website for a plumber, or I would like a one-page blog site or something like that. Just give me a bit of an idea of what you would like, and I'll go through the messages I get, and then I'll build 5 free websites. So let me show you another one. This is one for a heating and air conditioning specialist that I built. So again, you have a home page, an about page, a services page, and a contact page. So let's go down, and you can change these photos out really easily, and that's something I would do. You can either supply your own photos to me, or I'll go on to something like Unsplash and just pick some photos based on the definitions I put in. You have various things here saying what the company does. A few pictures there of air conditioning stuff, and basically this will show what they do. You have an animated numbers thing showing what the company has done so far this year or since it started, and then there's a few pictures of places they can put air conditioners and things like that. So this is fairly simple to create something like this. So if you go to the about page, you've got a picture there, more air conditioners, one of the guys who works there, and these are just sample photos. There's a few things here saying the various things it's done. This still has a little bit of the Latin stuff that comes with the template, which I actually didn't take out of that one, but I can fix that easily enough. And then you have, and this was built from a template basically. Then you have again the services page saying what they do, with again a banner photo there. And there's your contact page at the end again, and you can also put a contact thing in from there if you want, just letting me know. I also have this site. This is a 1-page website for a physical trainer. So if you look at that, there's a gym, there's the personal trainer the website's about, and again that was just a picture I picked off Unsplash. that tells you a little bit about her. Go down again, there's a few things about when the classes are that she does, training rates for what she's doing. So if you happen to be a professional trainer, this would be maybe a good website for you. Then this one here is a photography website. So as you can see, you can build just about anything you want, really. This one's a one-page website, and these things will flip down, so that takes you to the About section about the photographer. You can again go down. That's photos at night. There's a gallery for the photographer. There you have client references again, and all this stuff can just be picked out and put in. So it's pretty simple to do. And then this one is this is going to be a one for me myself. This was basically a travel blog when I built it. But if I hit home here, you can get animation. See how the guy comes in there. And this is going to be called Mike Ward Science, and this will be one for me where I'm just doing my own science blogs. But you can see how this is the best way to have a blog website, because if you have the blog set up like this, people are more likely to click on this website than other websites. And if you want to go to a particular page, you can do that and read more about the blog like that. So this is again fairly easy to set up. There's the actual blog itself, only set out a little bit differently. This shows the last few blogs. You can go to the sections like that, and again this is pretty easy to set up. About page, and there's a contact page which you can also use, and I'll put these things in at the bottom, and if you put your name, email address, the type of website you would like me to build for you, then I can build that for free. Obviously if I got a lot more than 5 people applying, I'll just pick the ones that look as though they would be a good experience for me to build. Now what I am going to do as well, I'm going to make a lot of videos in the future showcasing different ways to make websites and things like that. If you apply for a free website from me, I would like to basically do a video showcasing the website and saying this is what I built. I'll explain that it's free. I'd like you to just put something on saying it's okay for me to do that, and I won't show any confidential information. People will see just what you would see if you went to the website itself. So let's see if there's anything else I need to say. Yeah, the other thing I would say is just hit the like and subscribe button, which will help the channel to grow if you can, and I'll be posting future videos showing tips on how to build websites. So if you want a free website, feel free to go ahead and contact me on this. When I start building websites, I can probably build a basic one-page website for $100 to $150, and that would cost you at least $1,000 from a professional web company. So it's a lot cheaper. I'm able to do that because I don't have the overheads and because I'm just starting. That'll be a discount price just while I start to get work coming in. If you wanted, say, a 4-page website, that would probably be about $300. That's basically a standard price just when you're starting. Anything more complicated like a WooCommerce website with credit card pickup and that kind of thing is probably going to run nearer $500, but it really depends on what the site is. So if you're interested in paying for a website, feel free to contact me through that as well, because you will get a discounted amount. And I'll also do a lot of follow-ups, so if you have any problems, you just contact me and I can fix the website for you. So with that said, I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and if you're interested in either having a paid website or a free website built, please get in touch with me on one of the websites below. And as I said, you can get hosting a discount hosting for 60% off if you use the link below the video. Okay, thank you, and with that said, I'll just say I look forward to seeing you soon on another video.